2, 3.
Hello everybody, this is Raju Hassan once again here today. In this video, I'd like to explain about Rajendra College. Everybody knows that I'm a student of this college and I'm a student Department of English. Now I'm going to start my Rajendra College famous opportunity. That's which brothers and sisters, as you can see around of me, a huge architecture monument has been decorated by Rajendra College authorized. That's why I'm Raju Hassan. Today I have come in my college and I'm going to share about this matter. While this Rajendra College has been established in 1918, it is really renowned, historical and very famous college in all over the country. And most of the students, they are studying in this college. You know that there are 18 departments. Those are studying science, commerce and arts together. Actually, I am a student of humanities department, but basically I have completed my bachelor degree from Rajendra College, Department of English. And I am a very proud student in this college because whenever I get a good chance, I make a video about my college. Now in this time, I'm going to share about my Rajendra College, a beautiful garden. That's which brothers and sisters, as you can see in front of my hand, it is a very beautiful garden. Here you can find different flowers, and it is looking so amazing, so beautiful, and looks like outstanding. Now in this time, I would like to share another matter. This Rajendra College, government Rajendra College, it is established in 1981. You don't know about the Rajendra College, why this institution is very famous. Because Dhaka University 2 years ago, our Rajendra College has been established. That's why we can call it is really more famous. While in this time, this is Babu Ambikacharam Mojumdar. As you can see, this Babu Ambikacharam Mojumdar, he is the real founder in this college. Actually, I cannot explain how much beautiful this college. There are many buildings, but our college, you have to remember, our college is divided with two parts. One part degree branch, another part honors branch. And it is the degree branch, but few days ago, our principal, Ashim Kumar Shah, he has separated this branch. Right now, this big building, they are good photographers to come here. It is a big building, and here most of the honors students, they are doing class here. It is our new building. Also, I am doing class as a master's program, honors program here. And you can see it's a student comparison area. This student and teachers centralized TSCC is inaugurated by Professor Ashwin Kumar Shah, Government Rajendra College, Faridpur. As you can see, dear brothers and sisters, it's a very beautiful opportunity for me. Babu Ambika Mazumdar, and who is the Rajendra? Rajendra, whenever British colonial time, whenever British Bangladesh was the great movement at that time, our Rajendra College had been established. So I believe that Rajendra College has an extra identity. Rajendra College has an extra familiarity. Rajendra College has an extra popularity. If you deeply think about this Rajendra College boundary is big boundary. Every particular day and night, even after evening, many girls and boys and different guests, they can come to take their entertainment, and most of the students, those are doing practice to be BCS career, they can come in this field to their study. Actually, it is really higher education and big educational institution area. As you can see, it is a field, and every particular day, that means evening and afternoon moment, these two times, huge students, they are coming in this garden, even they are doing hangout over here, and they are enjoying, even practically they are studying here. I believe that if someone wants to be good at spoken English, if someone want to be good at English language, mathematical, general knowledge, and as well as Bengali knowledge, they have to practice for anything. Because I believe that nothing is possible without practicing. That's why I'm Raju Hassan. When I get free time, I never make a mistake practicing. I also believe that if I can make ensure by more and more practice, definitely I will be good at spoken English. That's why it's my main priority, it's my main job, it's my principal work in my life. Even I can't stay a single moment without my practicing. And recently I have completely completed my graduation from this university. I also believe that in future I will fly in America for my post-graduation. Have a wonderful time. Please stay with me. If you think actually you will be good at spoken English, at least you have to practice, because practice makes a man perfect, and we can do everything by our practicing. Have a wonderful time. Bye bye. Take care. I am ensuring thanks to my beloved brother Rafi, who is a great student as well as successful photographer. Thank you making this video. Allah Hafiz.